I am a 3D printer once again. This is my new setup, and best part, storage for all the filament I'll ever need. Why did I use a really nice live edge slab on top of a 3D printer project? Fair question. I have a rather high stakes live edge project coming up. I'm not talking about it in this video, but soon.
All of our black walnut inventory is on Steam, so you get a really wide range of color variation going through the heartwood of the grain there.
And I wanted to practice a bit. I've never done something like this before. I wanted this one to turn out good, obviously, because I'll probably have it in my office the rest of my working career. But it is a 3D printer cabinet, not going to a customer. My wife doesn't even have to deal with it. So some imperfections and things I didn't get quite right, I can live with. It was also a good summer project just to chip away at without the pressure of continuously posting. I also paid for the Blacktail Studio epoxy instruction video and watched it after I had made all the mistakes and got to hear about what I should have done. It did resonate more this way, so I guess it's true that
the burned hand teaches best. After that, advice about fire goes to the heart.
Okay, I gotta be super careful.
Super careful, don't spill it. Okay, let me explain. I've been excited to use the Blacktail Studio Nano Finish hard coat and top coat for a long time. Cam has apparently done a lot of tests and he loved this finish. It was heads and tails better than anything else. He was really impressed with its ability to repel liquids, so it seemed like a great way to up my finishing game. I needed a spill test, just to try this out and show you the results, and I decided to construct one that had some of the angst of a real spill. My son bounced back quickly from the experience.
Oh my god, it's a magnet.
I actually need a little bit more on that piece. There we go. You probably guessed this, but the top piece didn't get the nano finish, just the Rubio Monocoat. You can certainly tell it beads up a lot more on the protected surface. No doubt about it. So that's positive. So results. The Rubio Monocoat on its own actually did pretty well resisting a permanent stain from this 10-minute grape juice test. But there was definitely a difference. It did not bead up nearly as much. You could tell that this top coat added a lot of water repellent resistance that with a tougher test, wine overnight kind of thing, I'm sure would mean that it has much less of a propensity to stain. That's definitely what Cam has found. This quick little test corroborates that. I'm satisfied. And I can confidently recommend this product, link in the description, as well as to the epoxy training that I did. So there it is, the nicest piece of wood I've ever worked with, finished in a more advanced way than I've ever tried before. You might be curious about the build of all the stuff underneath the slab. None of it's too complicated, and I also did a lot of it in the video that should be popping up right now. So if you want a little bit more, check that out. I also made available for free the SketchUp model for all of this. So, you can probably figure it out just from looking at it, but if you want it for reference, you can download that and see how this all came together to make the storage for the filament. And that model also has the model for the standing desk that I used. This video isn't a sponsored video, but this standing desk was originally given to me as part of a sponsored video with Flexispot. It's their Odin standing desk. It's incredibly powerful. It's got 4 motors, one for each of the legs. Can lift 660 pounds. It's really impressive. So there's a link to that. I'm not getting paid for this video, but I can genuinely recommend it. I also have links for my 3D printers. That was a sponsored video too. Originally, not this one, but originally they were given to me in a sponsored video. I still think they're great, but at this point, I think I have to say that Bamboo Labs seems to have emerged as the winner that everybody's talking about. People that I trust and respect seem to really love that printer. So, I don't know. AnkerMake, if you're watching this, I think you need to up your game. If it bugs you that I'm saying that, I guess we don't need to work together anymore. I will say the printers are good. I'm not feeling the need to switch it out. I'm just saying, I'm just saying. Lastly, I got this slab at CS Woods in Denver. Their website is in the description. They did give me a deal on this slab. I still paid a lot for it, but they gave me some money off because I said that I'd talk about them a bit. And it was something that I kind of wanted to talk about because it's such an impressive place. This video concludes with some footage that I took there.
We source trees from all over the world.
And also, if you check out their website, even if you're not local, you can see a lot of the slabs that they have for sale. Really impressive. So enjoy that. It's great to be back making videos again. I think my pace is not going to be too fast for a while. I've got a lot going on with the business and some huge upcoming changes. So at some point in the future, I'm really going to ramp up video production. Not quite yet. I'll be posting, it'll be semi-infrequently. We'll see how it goes. Editing this video, man, I had a hard time like getting excited about an edit. I don't know why that is. Anyway, here's CS Woods. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time. Remember that more important second slab project that I mentioned at the beginning? This is CS Woods flattening it because they do that. So this is Collector Specialty Woods, and we are going to get a tour.
So we are a live edge slab distributor in the Denver area. We source trees from all over the world. Our specialty is kiln drying for Colorado's dry climate. Everything here gets kiln dried to a 6 to 8% moisture content, with the exception of kind of a legacy burl collection that's been air dried for 20 plus years. We offer leveling services, and we also have a full-scale wood shop at a second location where we manufacture custom surfaces.
And the kiln is here, or it's not here?
So we've got a dehumidification kiln and a vacuum kiln in southern Colorado. We've got a mill in southern Colorado. This is just kind of the slab showroom. Yeah, so we typically are sourcing trees. Everything gets slabbed out. Most slabs are 2.5 inches thick. They get kiln dried, then they come back up to this location. We try to pull a slab out of every boule and surface it, throw it along the outside perimeter here to give people an idea of the different species we offer. We have both hardwoods and softwoods. Typically, we are looking for trees that are a 42-inch diameter at chest height for dining table, conference table type surfaces. We've got a lot of domestic species. Black walnut would probably be the most popular slabs we're selling currently. We've also got a lot of different African species. You can see on the wall here, we've got Sapele, Bubinga, Sipo, and there was a Wenge slab there, which has been extremely popular, but that's no longer there because it's sold.
Got it. Yeah, there was quite a bit of Wenge my last time through. Is it all gone?
It's everything on the wall has been sold, so anything with darker colors seem to be pretty popular right now. I would say the majority of what we have, though, is domestic trees. We've got black walnut from several different areas around the country. We've got a load of Claro walnut burls that are going to be coming up from the kiln. Large diameter slabs, 48-inch wide burl slabs. We've got a load of maple coming in from Iowa. I believe just got dropped off last night. That's going to be getting kiln dried here soon. So
Nice.
Some lighter options coming up.
So for any folks that may be salivating watching all of this, what should they do? How much is on the website? How much needs a phone call or conversation? Or What's the process?
Yeah, so we try to have most of the info on the website. I would say 90% of our inventory is online, 1,000 plus slabs. Anything under $1,000 we don't typically have online, so that's worth an email or a call. We're really good at getting back in a fast manner on any smaller inquiries as well. But definitely check out the website. You can sort by size, you can sort by species, you can sort by projects. There's a bunch of different filters to break down what you're looking for.
Oh, nice.
And then, yeah, we ship all over the country. I believe we've recently added a purchase option on the website, so you should be able just to click on a link and put in all your info and do all that online.
Oh, and like flattening and any kind of modification you want, or is that... That smile means not yet. If you need leveling or any of the extras, just call in and they'll give you a quote. I think that's all for now. Thanks for watching.
Dad, how did toning?
Well, you gotta join my channel to learn how I did that.
Well, I'm already part of your channel.
You gotta join. You gotta pay. I need payers.
What? I have to pay money for this? Nah.
Pay up. Dude, pay up. I told you I was paying you to make this video.
Dude, just tell me how that's moving.
I cannot tell you unless you join the channel and pay. That is the rules.